Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Back in Albuquerque, I posted a live video on Robert DIY Facebook page. It's a Sunday before Labor Day. I'm headed down to the junkyard to do reconnaissance. I heard they have a sale tomorrow, so I may pick up a few things for a few people on this sale day. And just taking it easy. Picked up a car from Buster Brown, white horse, 4-door sedan, 97 T5. I already got somebody said they're going to buy it, gave me a deposit on it. They're supposed to get it tomorrow. So I'm going to go over there in a little bit and service a few things on it, evaluate some things on it for them, and they'll probably pick it up tomorrow. If not, I'll be ordering a bunch of parts for it, bringing it to stage 0, and then selling it. So, just rolling along. We're over here with Wanda II, trying to figure out what a whine is when he starts the car. Go ahead, fire it up. Come on. Hold on, don't rev it. Oh, you got to rev it to hear it, huh? Go ahead. All right, shut it off. Serpentine belt, still got the noise. Push the clutch all the way in. All right, put it in neutral, let your foot off of it. Is it in neutral? Rev the engine without messing with the clutch. Wow, something's howling, not sure what it is. Only when the car is cold. All right. All right, shut it down. Time to repair positive battery case. Wires going to the fuse box real quick. So let me unscrew that, put this on, and go from there. Strip the ends of the wires. I normally strip less and put them in one of these. However, that's not a Volvo connector, so I'm going to have to use a big lug and go that route. Here we are, we got that on, we got that fixed nice and tight. Let's go start the car, see if the AC will work, and go from there. It's a little overcharged according to the pressure sense thing. The pressure's dropping now. Not sure why. Jump the switch right there, make the compressor cut on. Pressure's going back up. That hose is cold. Alright, the AC is working now, and basically I had unplugged this pressure switch, jumped that wire, and the compressor kicked on. So we checked a couple of things down at the mechanic shop, and we decided to replace this pressure switch. Now that pressure switch has a valve under it, kind of like your service line does. So you can actually remove that pressure switch, which I didn't know, without depleting the system. So we
Just unscrewed that pressure switch, screwed the replacement one in, and the AC started working fine. Now the blend door is not working, blowing air out of the center vents, so that's probably going to be a little motor problem. But hey, AC's working, it's nice and cold inside. I'm going to go ahead and deliver this vehicle to the people that want it. I'm here to drop off this 850. That odometer reads 172. It's actually 195 and some change. So, about 23,000 miles off. But anyway, it's their baby. They can tinker it as they would like. I'm about to mix up a 50-50 mix of oil eater, clean these injectors. Let me pop these injectors open, set up that ultrasonic cleaner, and clean these injectors. New Volvo Bosch injectors returned to me from Turbo Tony. The guys that rebuilds my turbos. I'm going to put them in there, all 5 of them, and clean them, and I'm going to have them tested and use them in Queen B when I drop in my ARD tune. So I'm going to put a cup of water in it, a cup of the oil eater, plug it in, set the settings, fire it up, clean it for 30 minutes. I can't remember what I did last time. I'm going to check my video, and then I'm going to set the time to 31 and hit start. Temp should be warming up. That's how much fluid I have in there. You don't want to run it empty, but you want to make sure whatever you got in there is submerged. So I may put a little bit more water in there, bring it up to this next line. I got 2 cups in there right now. So let me go ahead and hit start. You can't hear anything I say once that thing's running. Another set of fuel injectors, so I'm cleaning them, and I helped somebody solder in a diode on their ECU to help with the air pump. There they are, folks. Ultrasonic clean at dishwashing temperature, which is 67 degrees Celsius, and 30% oil eater in the ultrasonic cleaner. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.